Construction at Temple Square has been ongoing since 2019. It includes seismic upgrades and structural reinforcements aimed at enhancing safety and accessibility. The project is expected to be completed in 2026. The Brigham Young Monument was first displayed at the Chicago World's Fair in 1893. It was then moved to Salt Lake City and placed at the intersection of Main Street and South Temple in 1897. The statue remained there until 1993 when it was relocated a few yards north of its current position. The Assembly Hall was built between 1877 and 1882. It was built using discarded granite stone from the temple construction. The Tabernacle at Temple Square, built between 1863 and 1867, is known for its unique design and remarkable acoustics. The LDS Conference Center was started in 1997 and completed in 2000. The church office building was built between 1962 and 1972. It is 28 stories tall and cost $31 million to build at the time. It was the tallest building in Salt Lake City until the Wells Fargo Center was completed in 1998 by a whopping 2 feet. It was then surpassed by the Astra Tower in 2023. It's located at 2nd South and State Street.